Hello and welcome! In today's video, we're going to show you how to disable hand tracking in the Google Chrome browser. Whether you're concerned about privacy or simply don't need this feature, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to do to turn it off quickly and easily. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, click the three vertical dots located in the top right corner of the browser window. Then, from the drop-down menu, choose Settings. After that, look to the left-hand side of the Settings page and click on Privacy and Security. Now, scroll down the page and select Site Settings. Then, under Site Settings, scroll down and find the section called Additional Permissions. Afterwards, click on Hand Tracking from the list. Finally, choose Don't allow sites to track your hands to disable hand tracking in your browser. And that's it. You've now successfully disabled hand tracking in Google Chrome. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.